Thing that I forgot to show. This is the old one. This is a pigtail from the new one that I got. Don't need that. If you guys don't run into the same thing that I did, it's wet right there. It's kind of gross. I laid in it. Who knows what it is? It's a surprise. I don't know. Customer left it for me, maybe. But if someone maybe knows what it is, it looks like Mountain Dew. Let me know in the comments. What's going on YouTube? This is Truth and Power here, and I'm doing a blower motor replacement. Or actually, I already did it. It's right under here. So I just watched a 22-minute video on somebody replacing it, and what they did was they took out the seat, they took out this glove box, this bracket, and this. So I looked at it myself and I was going to do exactly what he did, and I actually looked under and I found out that nothing needed to be removed but that, and I'm young, so I don't need to take that out. So it's held in by 3 bolts, so it's a special star key right here. I have a whole kit right here. Initially I was using this, but there's one all the way in the back where the firewall, I guess, like curves, so I couldn't fit it. This is 1/4 inch drive, 1/4 inch socket with that. Now, all you're gonna have to do is exactly what I'm doing. So, have your handy light. I'm gonna go under, make sure the seat's all the way back, and then, you know, I use my right hand for all this. Let me see if I can hold the phone. So, I use my right hand for all this. I hope you guys can see. If not, there's 3 bolts. One right here. One right here. And one all the way in the back, which is right here. So this will be able to reach it. If you guys do exactly that and take out this plug right here, you're good to go. It'll fall right out. Now, so I know you'll be tempted to take out these 3 screws. Don't do that. Take out the surrounding ones right here. Then you're good to go. Hope that helped. Don't waste your time. This is Truth and Power. Glad I could help. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.